Today we show you how to connect your general purpose phantom sensor. As always, we connect the gateway. In the description of this video you will find more detailed information. We connect to a database in your DigivibeMX software. Here we generate a new database that we save on the desktop. We connect the sensor to channel 1 of the Phantom Gpio. In this example we use the RS-FSJT I20 anemometer. It's a sensor from another manufacturer. We connect the anemometer to our general purpose 4 till 20 mA phantom sensor. To find out how to connect, we strictly recommend to read the operating instructions for your sensor. It is important that it emits signals between 4 and 20 mA clearly defined in your manual in order to correctly interpret the measurements in DigivibeMX. We adjust the configurations. Take care to have the RPM interval starting from 1 positive. In set, we add the general purpose sensor to the database. We create a new group. We scan or enter the code. We update the database by closing and opening the Set Device window again. It is absolutely necessary to add the Gpio. This can be done from the beginning by clicking on Phantom and adding Gpio. You can also do this on this step. In this part we add the values from your sensor's manual. We add a new meter per second unit for our anemometer. Confirm that the values match with your manual. We can also add a test value and compare the result. In our example, 12 mA is equivalent to 15 meter per second. We conclude by adding the type of sensor. To obtain our first results, we open EI monitoring. We search for the corresponding database. Now we start with the measurements. Our fan rotates at 3 different speeds. We can see in the monitoring the measurements of channel 1. In DigivibeMX you can see the data in a few minutes. Refresh the database. You can see the speed and the temperature at any given time. You can export this data. For more information, visit our page erbessd-instruments.com.